We wet our hands and shape these patties to match the bun size. Do I have that right?
Yes, that's right.
Into the pan where we've already poured some oil, we fry it on one side until golden, then flip it, and on the other side until it's golden, right?
Yes.
Tomato ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard, right?
Ah,
We just mix it.
until it's smooth.
We have reached the crucial moment, the actual assembly of the hamburger. We take the bun, which is sliced in half, then we spread our sauce on it, the one that we've already prepared in advance, a pickle. I assure you, this hamburger will be no worse than McDonald's. Lettuce leaves. We take our patty, which, as you can see, is made in this kind of thin style, so that you don't have to open your mouth too wide later. We lay down the cheese, a few slices. And on top we take the other half of the bun. We spread ketchup on it, or rather the sauce. Pickles again. And close it. What should we do with it?
Heat it up.
In the microwave. What for?
To melt the cheese and make it tastier.
We place our hamburger in the microwave for a minute or a minute and a half. Well, here is our hamburger or burger.